What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the 3 indicators that I use to make money in binary options. It's going to be very simple to understand and also very profitable. It's a win-win. Let's get right into the video. So guys, I'm already on the Pocket Option platform. That's what I use to trade. And I'm going to start actually our trading session with $90. And let me just go quickly into the indicators that I'll be using today. So the first indicator is our fractal, and we're going to use that with a period of 5. So the fractal is going to help us to identify new local minimums and maximums while they're being formed. This will help us to take a bias for our trade. Also, we have our alligator, and we're going to leave that in the default settings. Also, the MACD oscillator with the specific period settings as you see over here would help us to take a bias on our trades. I'm going to show you how to use all of them together as we take the trades together. Just be attentive, and if you need to, you can always go back in the video so you can properly understand something. Also guys, I'll be using a 1-minute time frame for each of our trades, and once I see an opportunity, I'll just take the trade and I'll explain to you how and why I took it. Let's pick the first currency pair and we'll start trading.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay guys, so we just saw our first entry point and we took a short trade. So we can see we're following the current trend, which is a downtrend, and we took a short in alignment with that. So we see over here that the price has actually crossed all 3 alligator moving lines. And this is indicating a reversal in the downward direction, guys. And also we can see the signal line and the moving line of the oscillator have intersected from top to bottom. This is also providing a very strong signal to open a trade for a short. Let's see how this one closes. So for this particular trade, I made sure to follow the trend, and I also used the alligators, moving lines, and the oscillator together. I didn't really make use of the fractal for this one, but I'll show you when to use the fractal on the next trades. Perfect guys, so we're in profit. Our first trade is in profit as usual on this channel. If you're a subscriber, you know how we do it over here. I just changed our balance so that we can maximize our profits for the next trades. Okay, let's look for the next asset and we'll take the next opportunity, guys. Okay guys, so we just entered our second trade, and here we took a long trade, which is also aligning with the trend. We're in an uptrend. So just a while ago, we can see the fractal structural local minimum was updated. And in alignment with that, the alligators moving lines is also indicating an upward trend. And so after this update, the price crossed all 3 moving averages from bottom to top. So if we see the oscillators moving lines, they also intersected, and we can notice a volume change in the histogram as well. So in this trade, I used all of them together, guys. The fractal gave me a new local minimum, which is giving me a sign that it might most likely make a local maximum next. You know, that's why I took a buy. Also in alignment with the current trend. Always trade with the trend, guys, especially if you're just starting out. Perfect, guys. So another profit. We just ended in the profit again. We just doubled our balance. Let's keep on going. I just changed the balance so we can maximize our profits, and we'll choose the next currency pair.
Imagine you can make money even while you were sleeping. I know it sounds crazy, but it's real. With an AI trading bot that analyzes the market 24/7, executes trades with insane accuracy, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and watch your balance grow. No stress, no emotions, just profits. Tap the link below to get access to the AI bot now and start making money on autopilot.
Okay guys, so I just found another position and we just took a buy. The conditions for my strategy was met, and that's why I entered. I will just take a closer look so I can explain that to you. So just like the previous one, we can see that the fractal structural minimum was updated, and the price also crossed all three alligator moving averages. Also, if we check the oscillator, we can see that the moving averages are pointing upwards, and that's a sign for a buy. Yeah, there's a minor intersection there as well with the oscillators. Let's see how this one plays out, guys. The volatility is strangely very low, which is putting our trade in a risk. This one's a bit risky, but let's see how this one ends still. Perfect, guys, just perfect. I was a bit scared about this one because the volatility being so low kind of affects, our win rate, because, if the market doesn't move, we might be in a loss. But luckily for us, we're still able to end up in a profit. The volatility was enough to move in our direction. That is very good. Let's just adjust the trade amount. I'm not gonna risk everything, so that in case we do end up in one of a loss, it won't mess up our winning streak so far. Anyways, let's pick the next currency pair and we'll keep on trading, guys. Okay, guys, so I just found another position, and actually for this one, there is potential for both up and down. It's a bit tricky. So we can see over here that the alligators moving averages are almost crossing. And this is kind of suggesting a reversal, but they haven't crossed yet. Also, we can see that the structural minimum was also recently updated by the fractal. You can see that over there. And, a trend change could occur anytime now. So this one is, normally I would wait for the full intersection of the moving averages, but I was a bit quick with this one. But let's see how it will end. I mean, I have experience with this strategy. That's why I'm able to still make some decisions even when they haven't crossed yet. I'm talking about the moving lines. Oh, perfect, guys. We're in a profit. We're in a profit, guys. Awesome. Okay, let's open the last trade, and I'm not gonna risk all the profits for this one, just in case. Let's pick the last currency pair and we'll take the last trade. Okay, so here we're gonna try a buy in this one. As you can see, it's also in alignment with the current trend. To be honest, the entry point is not the best because there is a potential for further upward movement, but still we should have waited for this previous candle to have fully closed. That would have been the best time. You can also see that the structural minimum was updated, and the price also crossed all three alligator lines, which is in alignment with our strategy. Also, the histogram is showing a volume direction change, and its moving lines are also intersecting from bottom to top. Sorry. Which is also signaling a good chance for, a buy. The only thing I would say is that the entry point could have been better, but let's still see how it closes, guys. Awesome, guys. So our last trade is in a profit. That is just awesome. Today is an awesome day. The strategy does have a high win rate, but sometimes we do take some losses. I should be honest with you, but today was very, very good. We had no losses. I'm gonna move on to just withdraw. Yeah, I hope you guys had a very good understanding of the strategy. I should mention that it takes some time to get used to. You should practice it. Take the video back if you need to and watch it again so you can properly understand how to use the fractal with the alligator, with the oscillators, moving lines as well, with the histogram. But once you properly understand it, you're already on your way to a lot of wins. Also, if you're a total beginner and this might take some time, it's like a learning curve, you can check one of my videos where I trade using the AI bots. They're also very, very profitable if you know how to use them. I'm going to leave the link in the description somewhere around here, and you can click on that and you can already start making money for free with AI. Anyways, that's all for today. Peace out, guys. See you next time.